See you later, guys. It's been fun.
Bye, see you.
Love you. Bye.
We haven't seen big swells like that in a while. It took me by surprise, and I have been happier. It's dust from Sahara that's swept over, I'm pretty sure, all of the Caribbean islands right now.
I feel like my grandfather. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch. And
We're off.
we are off. You stole my words. After 3 months in the Grenadines, we were going to have to renew our visas tomorrow, and we decided, you know what, let's get out of here today. We were always planning to go to Martinique. We finally feel pushed, and now we're going to go to Martinique, back to Martinique.
Back, yeah.
So yeah, our time in the Grenadines has been quite good, don't you think?
Yeah, so tomorrow will be 3 months on the day that we've been here, and we have enjoyed it a lot.
See you later, guys. It's been fun. We'll be back down here shortly, but I think we're going to go to Grenada eventually after getting the job fixed. Sounds good. Enjoy dinner. So tell Killer sorry we can't make it.
Bye, see you.
Love you. Bye. Leaving our sailing family that we had made over the 3 months of being locked down in the Grenadines, it left us feeling very nostalgic and a little bit sad. Nothing brought us more happiness than putting the sails back up and taking on some wild wind towards the west side of St. Vincent.
How about it?
How about it? How good?
Sailing again.
We are off on another adventure.
Yeah. Alright, I have to admit, when we started sailing, there were, well, I thought there were big swells. Obviously we've seen worse on our Atlantic crossing and other crossings, but we haven't seen big swells like that in a while. It took me by surprise, and I have been happier.
You weren't used to the wave.
No. And Karen was downstairs putting out the laundry. But yeah, now it's all better. The wind kind of died down a little bit. It was 24 knots at the time, I think.
24 knots, 1.8 meters.
It was big for me then. But now I've come down a little bit. I got my nuts, I got my water, I got my captain. How you going? Not straight?
No, it's struggling to point where we want to. I think it's because of the current going between St. Vincent and Merewether. No, I'm going brilliant. First sail back out in a while. Complaints is the washing's a bit wet, but you know, got that hanging up downstairs. So hopefully we have dry sheets to sleep on tonight.
I noticed right now it's very cloudy. The sun can't really get through. The interesting thing is that it's actually not clouds, it is dust. It's dust from Sahara that's swept over, I'm pretty sure, all of the Caribbean islands right now. It's super weird. At first we didn't believe this guy who told us. You can actually see on some parts of the boat there are like reddish sand sprinkled all over. Yeah, it's very strange. We're just now coming around St. Vincent. We're not far away from it at all, but we can barely see it because of all this dust. It's quite strange. Turn on the engine.
I did. Ran out of wind.
Oh. Did St. Vincent steal it all?
St. Vincent stole it all. St. Vincent is the thief of wind. No, we're just on the west side of the island, so it's a bit of wind shadow, unfortunately. So we were picking out anchorages on this west side of St. Vincent to stay the night before our big sail to Martinique tomorrow. And we've noticed a lot more wind around here than when we came here last. We actually swam by here with one of the locals' boats, and he was kind enough to show us around the whole island. He's a really nice guy. But there was a lot less wind last time we were here. We had a choice between two anchorages. One was Chateau Belair and the other one was Cumberland.
No. You were saying?
So yeah, we've been heading around this west side of St. Vincent. The waves and the wind are quite hectic on this particular day today. So we're going to pull into Cumberland Bay. We've been there once already in a previous vlog.
You're in paradise, man!
You're in paradise, man! Is the common saying. So yeah, we're gonna pull in there. Get a good night's sleep, get some food. 5 AM in the morning we're going to get up, we're going to set our sails and try and get to Martinique. That is the goal.
That is the goal.
That is the goal. You're in paradise, man! And we got a friend coming in to say hello to us. Well, all good, brother. Looks beautiful, but we're all good. Thank you so much. Sorry? No. Oh, no. We're heading to Cumberland. You have a friendly day. You too, mate. Yeah. Yes, it does. Looks very, very calm.
What?
What?
You said something before.
Did I?
Yeah. Not counter a chicken.
I feel like my grandfather. Let's not count our chickens before they hatch.
Someone in our comment One boy said that, oh, Karen, you have dad jokes about being a dad.
I think Wave said that. Returning to the jungle paradise of the west side of St. Vincent, it had a very eerie feel about it under the cover of the Sahara dust. Hard to believe that the dust, more or less, had made the same journey across the Atlantic Ocean that we had made 6 months prior. And after our sneaky little sail today, Isabel has jumped straight downstairs as soon as we put the anchor down, and she is
Making food for tomorrow.
she's killing it. Whoa. Whoa. So what are you doing? You're making food for tomorrow?
Yeah. Because I'm not in a state to go downstairs really to cook food. And we're sailing. And well, let's face it, your skills in the kitchen are not.
Ouch.
No.
Ouch.
No. No, it's just easier. You can just reheat it or eat it cold. Whatever is best. But yeah. It's been working pretty good. We've done that a couple of times. So
Yo-ho.